Okay, so welcome back again to another video. In this video, we're going to look at how to remove background in CapCut. So let's get started. So we have a video clip, which is the green screen here. Let's just place this on the timeline. And when you do that, you can come to the video here, make sure to be in video. And then you have the basic cutout, mask, and enhance. So let's go to cutout. And you can see you have the chroma key and you have the auto cut. So then since this is a green screen, we tried with the chroma key here by checking the checkbox here and then use the color picker. And then just pick the color on the screen and then use the strength here to remove the green screen there. So as long as you go up, if you go more, you can see that you just remove some of these color here from the set there. So let's just bring it back again, and then you can use the shadow to create this nice shadow around this green screen cutout there. Okay, so that's with the green screen if you are using the chroma key, or simply you can just use the auto cut out here. So I just want to bring this one a little bit down to speed up the process here. So once we click on this, you can see it does use this AI to auto cut out the green screen, and you can see nicely work done there already. So let's just wait until 100%. Okay, so now since we have some little green in, so if we zoom in, you can see there's some green here. So what we can do with this when using the green screen or blue screen, you can simply use the chroma key here and use this to remove those green spill out on the person here or the subject. Okay, so that's with the green screen. What about another video clip here? So let's just drag this one down. What about this video clip where we have a background like this? Well, CapCut used the AI to remove that as well. So we can just trim this video clip like this, and then selecting it again, video cut out, and then instead of using the chroma key, we're gonna use the auto cutout, which used AI to remove the background and leaving this subject. So let's just click on the auto cut here, and you can see it starting processing here up until it goes to 100%. We'll be back again. Okay, so we are back again, and it does a pretty decent work, you can see there. Now to prove that, let's just move this video clip up there and drag in our background under the main video track, and I'll just trim this one back again, and you can see it pretty did a very decent work. As you can see, just removed nicely the background. It's used the AI to do that. Hey, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, and if you're new here, if you can help us by subscribe to our channel, will be a big help for us to continue uploading more videos on CapCut, Kdenlive, and other video editors. Thank you again for watching. See you back again in another video.